Assalamu alaikum. Good morning, all of you. How have you been? I hope that you are not bad by the mercy of Almighty Allah. Today, in this video, I'm gonna share with you how we can practice our English every single day. I have seen many students, they can English and they know many vocabularies, but they uh, can't make English video in front of camera. When he come in front of camera, that time they forget some sentences, they forget some vocabularies, and they can't make any English video in front of camera. That's why today I will share this matter, how we can make English video in front of camera. First of all, when you will be free, you try to go outside and you open your camera. That time you will speak with you will speak with your around this place, and you will describe your around this place. It is the best and main theme for you. That's why you follow this way, side by side. What you have to do, you can explain your mother, you can explain your village, or you can explain in your best teacher. That's why it is very important for you, and there is no easy way to learn English quickly. There is no easy way to improve yourself. That's why when you will be free, you try to practice your English every single day. When you will make English video in front of camera, that time you can many traffic to practice your English video. It doesn't matter where you are mistakes, thousand, it doesn't matter. You have to more practice every single day. Then you can improve yourself day by day. Right now I'm standing at this place. I can explain behind this place, and I can describe this place properly. And today I'll not describe around this place, because I will share this matter with my students, because they don't know how we can practice our English every single day. And I want to share with you, I will suggest everyone, when you will practice your English, you try to describe your around this place. First of all, you have to describe your around this place. It is the main theme for you. You follow this way. Number two, when you will not any topic to practice your English, that time you try to describe your school, you try to describe in your village, you try to describe in your all day, what all you will work every single day, you will describe in front of camera. After record your English video, you will come back in my home. You will come back in your home within short time. Side by side, after come back in your home, you will watch your video, or you will watch your all videos. Then you can correct those mistakes where you are mistakes, and it's very important for you. By watching your video, you can correct those mistakes where you are mistakes, or you are mistake. That's why it is very important for you. And after watching your video, after watching your video, you can upload your video on your Facebook page, on your YouTube channel. It doesn't matter. I hope that when you will be free, you try to practice your English every single day, and when you will upload your video on your Facebook page, on your YouTube channel, I hope that your English will be improved day by day, and it's very important for you. Right now I'm standing in this place, and I can explain this place. Behind me there are different kinds of banana trees in this place, and today My video is going longer, that's why I don't want to make it more longer. Stay safe, stay your home, keep enjoying, keep learning. Best luck for everyone.